Hello, Craig here from Eagle Eye. Today, the sign word of the day is brought to you by the letter S, and we're going to talk squeegees. And I thought I would do a bag dump here. This is my personal work bag, and let you see what I carry in my bag and explain why I carry it. Let's dig in. Okay, so we're here today and we're talking squeegees. Now, squeegees are truly a personal preference. I have a lot of squeegees in my bag, and kind of like my knives video that I did, I carry a lot of different knives in my bag just because you never know what you need. You know, some squeegees slide better across the paper mask, some squeegees slide better across the laminate. Sometimes I like a big squeegee because if I've got a big job, I want to cover some real estate. So let's see what I got in my bag. This is my spare, and there's my squeegees I carry. You know, I always keep my cheaper squeegees, the older ones, because they make great glue scrapers. So I carry those. You know, the old 3M Gold Squeegee. Boy, I laid a lot of vinyl with this squeegee, and I still like this squeegee, and I carry this a lot. I like it because it's a little stiffer, and it doesn't seem to wear down as fast. So I do like this bag. Got some inexpensive 3M squeegees here. Again, great glue scrapers. The blue one. I do like these blue ones. These blue ones seem to glide well over the 3M red transfer tape better than the gold squeegee does. But these blue ones, I wear them out pretty quick. And, well, if you look at a couple of them, I got a little bit of a wear line from bending and using these. I like this squeegee here. This was given to me by one of our sign suppliers, and I do like this squeegee. It is a little stiff, and it does glide well, but I do like the fact that it has the felt on the other side. Now, it's a funny story. Long before there was felt squeegees, and you see I carry a few of them in my bag. Here's a good Avery Dennison one. We were making felt squeegees long before they were ever existed. See, we would used to go down to Walmart or a Joann's Fabric, and we'd take a cheap squeegee like this. Well, this isn't a cheap squeegee, but take a squeegee like this, and we'd put some double-sided tape on it, and then we'd take some green felt, and we'd cut and make our own, long before they're starting to sell them at the prices they do today. So there's a good selection of squeegees that I carry in my bag. Let's see what I actually carry in my bag. Here's that big squeegee I told you about. See, I love these big squeegees. Here's a standard squeegee, and then here's the big one. You can see the difference. I love this big squeegee. I can lay some real estate with these. Of course, I've got another nice big squeegee. Now, I made this one. This is some of the ones that I've done with felt. Sometimes I don't like the felt that comes on these squeegees just because it's cheap. It seems like they wear down. Let's see. Oh, there's some more great Avery Dennison products. When I'm doing wrap, and these seem to slide real well on the gloss laminate. Doesn't matter what the material is, so I do like that. So there you go. There's a good portion of my squeegees in my bag. As you can see, I carry a lot of them, kind of like my knives, like we mentioned. Now I'm going to go get another product here before we wrap up, or another tool, and I'm going to show you this neat tool that you can pick up that will save a lot of these squeegees. I know I've got a lot of them, but they're all still good and I can use them. Let me grab that tool. Okay, so this is the tool I wanted to show you. It's a Squeegee Sharpener. Yep, a Squeegee Sharpener. So it's just basically a little plastic tool, and it's got a little replaceable razor blade in there. And what's nice about it is you can take a squeegee that's, well, it's worn down, and you just rub it across there a few times, and you can see it drops, it just shaves off a little edge of it, and it straightens your squeegee back out. So now you've got a squeegee to use again. Because, well, let's face it, these things aren't cheap anymore. They used to give them away. Now they cost. Well, there you go. Sign word of the day is brought to you by the letter S. Thank you for following along. Hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, follow us online, eagleeyescience.net, and thank you for your support.